bullshit, and that is lies, and that's the way they keep you down and tame and quiet and obedient.
This much better!
Did you make a resolution this year to have a little more mayhem in your life? Did you make a resolution to have a little more mayhem in your life? If you didn't, if you were so hungover and pussy fried on New Year's Day, you could not get it together and say to yourself, you know what?
I thought you were getting into the
I
action.
want to fuck shit up. If you could not get your shit together on New Year's Day, I am declaring tonight, New Year's Day. And you're all going to make a resolution with me right now, saying that in 2011, I am willing to fuck shit up. For it to come true, for it to be a real resolution, I need you to say it with me. In 2011, am willing to fuck shit up! And what I need you to do, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, you have now signed a kind of oral sacred contract with me and Bloody Betty that you will, to the best of your knowledge and the best of your abilities, will put your shit together. Will think every moment of every day how you can make it different and better. How you can stop lying to yourself about the bullshit in your heart. How you can actually be who you are in public with your friends and with your family. Because the time has come to stop the lies and stop the bullshit. And Bloody Betty can help you and I can help you. But we're going to do it one more time just so it takes hold and grabs your heart in a chokehold. In 2011, to fuck shit up! Good. I am glad that you finally seen the light and you understand what it means to be truly free in this world. I am just hoping that when you wake up tomorrow you don't go, oh, that was a good show. Oh, I had a good time. Yeah, we went for lunch. Oh, I do like your pennies. I want you to wake up tomorrow and remember this and believe in this and actually do something about what it is
I thought the same thing.
Because I want the world to change, and I believe that you people are the harbingers
Wendy has a better smile, though.
I believe you can do this. And there's a little way that we can make this happen, don't you think? We can make change happen right now. Now, there's a
clear what her
certain
job
woman.
is, though. Just
I said her name a few times tonight. Her name's all over Facebook. She's got her own website. You might have heard her before. Her name's Bloody Betty. Oh, you know her? Do you like her? I mean, do you like her? Do you like her? Did she make it true for you? Is she going to make it real for you in 2011? So please, welcome to the Lucky Bar Stage, January 8th, 2011. The woman will make your resolutions come true. If you're only not so scared that you can follow her, please welcome Miss Bloody Betty!
me asking the girl like really into Evil Dead the musical. What am I thinking?
There's a man for that.
Bye.